Hello, and welcome to my channel. I'm super excited that you found my channel. To release the foot on your machine, there's a button in the back part of the foot. I'll show you a different view from behind, but I wanted to show you this view first. You push the button to release the foot and it'll drop to the stage. To get the foot back up on the machine, you'll release that lever on the right hand side and that'll pick up your foot. So this is the other view that I was mentioning. This little black button in the back is how you release the foot. Just gently push that. Yes, the foot is a bit movable because it moves while you sew. However, you don't want to just rip the foot off the machine. So you just use that button so you don't damage your machine